Easy keto snacks you're gonna love. I need to go run in and get my dog's prescription filled from Giant Food. And I only have 10 minutes. I literally am on the major time crunch. Got to go get my kid from pickup from school. So I have 10 minutes to get as many keto snacks as I possibly can. We're leaving for a road trip. And so I want to have keto snacks in our car that are healthy. So we're not stopping at convenience stores and getting like creepy carbs and stuff like that. So 10 minutes. I have not been in a store in 14 months. So something like that. So I'm excited to go in. I have no idea what it looks like in there because I've only done grocery pickup from Giant Food, and I do have down below a coupon code for you if you want to do grocery pickup or food delivery, which has been amazing, but it's going to be weird going back in the store. So let's go in. I got 10 minutes. Let's get as many snacks as we can. And a special thank you to Giant Food for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to get your $25 off coupon down in the description. So the first keto snack that I'm loving life is this Wagyu beef by Epic. It is their amazing beef that they have that's really, really awesome for travel. There's these sunflower seed kernels. Just double checking the ingredients in the back for the dry roasted ones. I'm obsessed with these sea salt macadamia nuts. Oh my gosh, they're so good. I could eat them literally right now in Giant Food. But here again is the different beef jerkies that they have. And I was in the gluten aisle because I wanted to check it out, but I settled on getting some of the Epic sweet and savory of their bison jerky. That was really good. And then the 100-calorie packs, those were also on sale, so I ended up snagging 2 of them to get some nuts so we can have on travel. They do have guacamole, which is a great addition if you're in the car. I'm obsessed with these salt and vinegar. You guys have seen my video of how to make your own from home because they do have hydrogenated oil in them, but I ended up getting them. They do have that inflammatory property, just FYI. I ended up actually getting the Giant store brand. It ended up being 2 ounces more and a little bit less the price. It is so good. And then here's the nut aisle that they had too. I snagged some of their organic walnuts. They were on sale, so I was like, yes, please. These are so filling for 1/4 a cup. It's one of the lowest nuts that you can have is pecans, walnuts, macadamia nuts. They're so good. What's your favorite? Put in the chat down below. Mine's sunflower seeds. I did end up getting some sunflower seeds too, but I would love to see in the comments what is your favorite snack to get. Wait, I did get some pininos and wisps. If you have not had wisps with sour cream, you're missing out on a little slice of heaven. I love Moon Cheese's ones, but I was not able to find Moon Cheese, so I did end up getting the wisps, but the spicy ones with the were the ones I got. So there was a huge section of the pininos and also their fresh produce there at Giant Food. Makes it really, really simple to literally, I'm racing the clock to get in and out under 10 minutes, and this has actually been pretty easy. There's pepperoni, which I did actually buy a pack of that pepperoni and have for lunch. I drive home. That was my lunch for the day, my keto lunch. But there's the uncured salami that they do have. They have a whole olive bar. Because of COVID, they're prepackaged. But oh my gosh, those black ones are my favorite. They're so good. And they're such a high fat, great keto snack to get. Obviously, of course, you're going to want to eat meal to meal if you can, but I do love me some good snacks, particularly for a road trip. So there's pepperoni slices that they do have too, if you want to snag those. And again, they have pickles too that you can get in addition to their olives. So many different choices for olives if you're an olive lover. But because I was there to get my dog's prescription, I went down the dog aisle to go get dog treats and my dog a little something. So that's what I ended up getting. That's that pepper jack one. They do have Parmesan too, by the way, for the whisks and cheddar. Here we're at checkout now. Super, super simple with the self-checkout. Really, really easy to go ahead and just put everything in the cart. And then I'm making it on time here. I'm so excited that I'm like right on time. Woohoo! Anyways, your question of the day is, what is your favorite keto snack? And then there is the pet food aisle, which of course I had to go down just for my dog, because my dog absolutely had to have them.
49, saving, 250, 4.99, 4.99. Scan coupon.
Okay, I just gotten back into my car. I need extra grace. It was not 10 minutes. It was like 10 minutes and 45 seconds. Woo! Okay, so let me show you everything that I got. First was the Epic Bites. I have gotten before jerky that has loaded with sugar. This one has in it bison, uncured bacon, water, salt and vinegar. Like, it's the best ingredients out of all of them. It is for 2.5 containers. It is 5 net carbs or 6 carbs total. So obviously, like on a road trip, things are a little bit different than what I would normally do at home for keto diet, keto snacks, and with intermittent fasting, right? I know people are gonna be like, let's talk about intermittent fasting. Of course, I wanna go meal to meal and not have snacks, but on road trips, no, I love snacks. Next, I got Wisps. You guys know that I'm a Moon cheese lover. I could not find Moon cheese where I was and was trying to run in and out. So I did end up getting the Wisp cheese crackers. These are, in terms of serving size, 23 crisp is 1 net carb. Score! The next flavor that I love, and I ended up getting the Giant Food brand. It was their dry roasted macadamia nuts with sea salt. This has 2 net carbs for 10 pieces or 10 carbs total. And one, the Giant brand, it was 6.5 ounces, whereas the name brand one was actually 4 ounces. So winning. Next bag. Okay, so we ended up also getting, and this was also my other favorite, was the pumpkin seed. It's the pumpkin seeds, and these do have a fourth a cup are 2 net carbs or 4 carbs total. That one is one of my favorites because I love the texture. I did also get some of their Giant Food organic, but it's their version of walnuts. So that was a win. And these were 2 net carbs for a fourth of a cup. So I'm really excited about that. I ended up snagging some sunflower kernels. This was like so exciting because the serving size in here, 3 tablespoons, is 4 net carbs. Win. And it's with sea salt. And then I got another one of these sticks. My 5-year-old loves these. This is the Wagyu beef stick, 6 grams of protein in it. It will be great for him in the car. And this one has 3 carbs for the total stick, which is less than an ounce, but hey, it's a snack that's better than chips. On the ride home, I'm gonna have some pepperoni, and that's gonna be my lunch because literally I love boar's head. And this one is 1 carb for there's 4 carbs in this total. So I'm in. That's going to fill me. That's going to be literally my lunch. They had other cheeses. I just didn't feel like messing because we don't have a cooler while we're on the road. Got in, got out, got to do self-checkout. You can load, by the way, the Giant Food coupons to your card, which I would recommend to get extra savings. For example, if I had more time, they had a huge laundry detergent sale. I'm kicking myself. It was for you guys I gave up the laundry detergent sale. So I love you that much. One of the last things I did get, and I'm holding it for last because you guys, if you've seen my other videos, I normally don't recommend these because it does have either vegetable oil or canola oil. Yeah, it's got vegetable oil, which is inflammatory, which is not keto. However, I go from the proponent of making sometimes the best choices or the best choice that we can make in the moment. This is the best choice relative to chips or other carby things. This is a better choice, but by no means is it the best choice. But my little boy loves these. He's obsessed. He loves the salt and vinegar. So we got a pack of those for the car ride too. So we got our snick snacks. We're going to have a really great trip, a road trip to the beach. We're really excited to go to the beach. Got my snacks, and then we'll use those snacks while we're at the beach also. So I don't have to pay convenience store pricing because Giant Food is super affordable, but also really good with their freshness. If you found this video helpful, make sure you get your $25 off coupon from Giant Food down below. See you next time.